Welcome to Section 6 of our video ads training. In this section, we'll talk about do's to apply, don'ts to avoid, other tools and services to consider, and shocking case studies. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Do's to apply. Nowadays, video ads have been flooding the internet, introducing companies and services to us, as well as encouraging us to purchase from them. Nevertheless, if you're a business owner, then perhaps you already know the importance of having it for your business. After all, it has already taken the online world by storm. On the other hand, have you ever invested in video advertising, but it did not achieve your desired results? If so, then perhaps you are doing it all wrong. Below is a list of things that you should apply on your next video ad. Educate through your video ads. According to Google, there has been an increase in the percentage of people searching for how-to videos on YouTube. Now, what does that mean? It only means that people are interested in watching videos they can learn from. With that being said, you should consider creating video ads that are capable of educating your target audience. However, for you to achieve the best results from it, ensure that it is as engaging as it can be. It should also be visually appealing. Include website and contact information. What makes video ads different from all the other ads is the fact that it encourages people who have watched it to take a certain action, and that is done through adding call to actions towards the end of the video. Also, because you have created that to encourage people to make a purchase from your company, you should definitely not forget to include your contact information and even a link to your website to make searching much easier for your prospective customers. Include testimonials to make your video ads valuable. If you can, you should also include testimonials in your videos to prove that some people have indeed gotten something beneficial from your company, and their lives have gotten better after they have discovered your brand. Just the simple addition of this element on your video will increase your chances of multiplying your profits. It will also be a great way for you to build trust and a good reputation at the same time. Experiment with in-video CTAs in Facebook. There are a lot of ways for you to include a call to action in your video ads. First, you can do this by asking the narrator to speak to the viewer. It may also be added at the end of the video. On the other hand, there is also the so-called in-video CTA. It is where a screen is added within the video that may contain a clickable URL. You can consider experimenting with it to have the most effective call to action there is. Use how-to videos. While you might think that using how-to videos is also beneficial if you want to increase the number of video shares or followers, it is capable of providing you something more than that. In fact, through it, you can instill in the minds of people that you are an expert in this field, or in other words, you're building authority. In addition to that, how-to videos have always been sought after by many people, and they consider it highly useful as well. However, you need to make sure that the how-to videos you use are something that your target audience is searching for. Use behind-the-scenes videos. Oftentimes, people want to have an idea on how you run your business or how your business operates. In fact, there are a lot of people who love watching behind-the-scenes footage. When you provide them with that, you are building a personal connection with them. With that, you are also bridging the gap, and they are more likely to convert as your customers. Embed and brand your videos. Creating a video is important, but it is also important for people to know that they are watching your video. You can do that by simply branding your videos. This is important, especially since other people may embed them on other sites. In addition to that, it also encourages people to check out the other videos you have created. That is also one way for people to remember your brand even in the future, as they watch your videos. You can do it simply by adding a logo on your video, through watermarking, or adding things that are related to your brand in the description box. Use fun videos to highlight your products or services. Just because it is a video ad doesn't mean that it should only seriously advertise your products and services to your target audience. Sometimes fun videos are more effective. Surely, more people would be encouraged to watch that video of yours, especially after reading people saying that your video is fun in the comments section. For example, you can hire a host with a great sense of humor to introduce your products and services in a unique and fun way. After all, video ads should never be dull or boring. That way, people will watch it from start to finish. Take advantage of PreRoll ads. PreRoll ads are the ads that appear on YouTube where the viewer needs to watch for about 5 seconds before they can click the skip ad button, and there are tons of them on YouTube. Of course, there is a possibility that it would annoy the viewer, but if your ad is interesting enough, they may consider becoming one of your customers, so you better do it right. In a world where the internet is bombarded with video ads, there is a need for yours to stand out. You can do that by simply keeping the dues to apply listed above in mind. With that, you can ensure grand success.